Hey everyone, welcome back to GeoSnaps. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a project in ArcGIS Hub. ArcGIS Hub projects are a premium feature that allow you to track and share information about organized efforts with internal or external audiences. To get started, select the Create button from the top right-hand side of your ArcGIS Hub workspace and click on Project. Here's where you're going to fill out the information for your project, starting with the title and then by choosing a catalog. After we filled out the basic information, we'll be prompted to choose groups to share this project with. This is going to determine who will have view and editing privileges to our project. Members of view groups will be able to search and view the project, even if it's not publicly shared, while those who are members of shared update groups will be able to edit the project's information. Once our project is created, we will click on Manage to edit the project's page. On our project details page, we are first going to add in a summary. Next, we're going to add in a thumbnail for the page. This will be seen on our workspace overview page. After we've added our thumbnail, we'll scroll down to add a location. You can choose to use your organization's extent or a custom location where you can draw one or more locations. Next, we will want to populate our progress details. We are able to mark steps of the project as not started, in progress, on hold, or as completed. This is where we can use the timeline to organize and show stages of our work over time. To add to a project's timeline, click on Add a Step. From here, we can fill out information for this step of our project. We'll add a title, projected timeline, a description. We also have the options to add links and note down the status of this step. You can add more steps by clicking on the Add Step button again. Once you've added your project steps, you can continue on. We have the option to configure our hero banner, and we can add more information to our project's overview. Here I'm going to add an image to our overview section, and then I can choose to embed apps or add content. Anything you embed or add will be shown under your project's overview. Once you are happy with your project's details, hit save, and then you can go to the top right and click on View Project. From here, we're able to see all the details that we've added: the map, summary, overview images, and content, as well as our project timeline on the right-hand side. The last step now is that you're going to want to connect your project to an initiative. To do this, we'll go to the left-hand side and click on the gear icon to manage our project. This will take us back to our project's detail page. From here, we will navigate to the left-hand side of our screen and click on Initiatives. Then we'll select Find Initiatives and select the initiative that we would like to associate our project with. We will then click Send Request. Once this request has been accepted on the initiative side, it will appear when we view our project under the Initiatives tab. And that's it! Now we've created a project in ArcGIS Hub.